Welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time here, my name is Lorrie and I live on Vancouver Island with my husband and my mother. How do I know when my rhubarb is ripe? Well, I dug the dirt out kind of down to the heart. I've got a hole dug here. So they're actually, like, they're not as short as they look. They go down a fair ways there.
What are you asking me for? Don't you have friends on this?
I have friends on the internet who maybe can answer me that.
Well, there you go.
Well, I'm recording, so I'll put it into one of my videos. And what? I just knew what I wanted to grow.
So why didn't you do some research on it?
Well, I can only do so much research at a time, and nobody's helping me.
What's happened to all your garden friends?
Well, that's how I do my research.
Oh, and they refuse to tell you?
No.
Well, they're not much friends, I would expect. Gee. Maybe you should have went to school to be a horticulturist instead of a business major.
Yeah.
Whatever it was, MBA. I'm an MBA, but I'm going to grow stuff.
And I'm not even going to sell it.
I'm going to sell it.
I want to grow stuff not for profit.
Oh my God.
Can I have a pee? So my pak choy over here is another one that has gone to flower before it has grown very much at all. So pulling it all up, we'll eat it. Got a few more radishes back here. Ooh, that's a big one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these all out. Get this ground cleared out and get something else in here. Look at my strawberries. Ooh, I wonder if that, oh, not quite ready to pick. So close. Tomorrow we'll be having a strawberry. And look, there's another one that's almost ready. And there's another one that's almost ready. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Some of them are fair size too. Some of them are pretty tiny, but yay. I love that. And this is my tomatillo flowering, one of them. Here's the other one, also flowering and covered in flowers. Has this guy seen any tomatoes on it yet? Nope, I need to come in here and pull the suckers off of this vine. Starting to get a few of them. No tomatoes yet. Look at my beautiful tomato. So, yeah, look at that. See, I knew it. One more day and this strawberry is perfect. Now the question is, will it make it to the house so I can weigh it? I'm going to pull it right now. Here we go. Da, 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 da. 7 grams. Mmm. So delicious.
Did you eat it?
Of course I ate it. I weighed it first. It's 7 grams.
Did you offer it to your mom?
Hell no. Why on earth would I offer it to my mother?
Oh Yes.
Who has been the one who's been out there babying the strawberries every day for the last 2 months?
Me. I've been.
Liar! Liar, liar, pants on fire. They should be. That was delicious. And it made it into the house and it got weighed.
Before you ate it.
Before I ate it.
That's a large accomplishment.
That is a large accomplishment.
You usually eat it when you're standing out in the garden.
I know. I know. And there's a couple more that are almost ready. They're not quite there yet. And that's why I let the chives go to flour. This is looking much happier and healthier today. So what I've learned about the ground cherry is that apparently it will just keep producing. Now I don't know if I have room to have one of these indoors all year round, but I'm gonna leave it in this smaller pot here and just watch what happens. And see if it kind of stays this same size and keeps growing and keeps fruiting. Because that would be fabulous. One plant would be just enough for me to snack on all summer long, if that is the case. Cilantro and some dill. And I am going to take these into the other room, and I'm actually just going to put them in the dehydrator. I'm not even going to turn it on. I'm just going to let them air dry. And we're going to see how that goes, because I have tried dehydrating cilantro before, and it ended up being just tasteless nothingness. So, and there's my radishes and my greens. So exciting. And I'm going to go harvest my tomatoes and show you what's happened with that inside tomato and what I've learned from that. Oh my goodness. So here's my update on my tomato that's growing inside. Look at how beautiful those tomatoes are. They are just gorgeous and about ready to pull, but look at what happened here. It just kind of fell right over. I didn't have it staked up enough, and this got really heavy because look at all those tomatoes on there. And it broke. So this is now getting no nutrition at all. So I'm going to cut it off and let these tomatoes ripen on the counter. And and then we'll see about these ones over here that are still attached on the bottom half. I might just pull them too and just let them all ripen on the counter. Look at all those tomatoes. 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tomatoes. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 tomatoes. Woohoo! Something flowering there. Pretty soon we might know what it is. Oh, and let's count these. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's count rosebuds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that, as they say, is that. That is my garden update for the beginning of June. Everything is coming along nicely. My peppers are super happy. I'm going to be updating you on those again in a couple days. Honestly, I'm just fascinated by the garden. I am out there every day hovering over things, and honestly, there's something different every single day. And I'm hardening off the last of my peppers now. They're going to be going outside in the next day or two, and I'm going to finish filling in the last few spots of things where I want to get stuff planted. And then we're just going to sit back and watch stuff grow. So, yeah, I am super excited. And I just wanted to say a quick shout out to the Vineyard Chicks. And I just want you girls to know that I am 100% behind you against that Johnny Jellyfish from that team It Won't Grow, who's trying to penalize you for counting. Everybody counts, Johnny. You need to get over it, get over yourself, and pay the girls fine. That's all I got for today, folks. Bye now.